So we had an after-hours service call. We just pulled the spool valve out of this big bastard. We have to reseal it. Look at these counterweights. Somebody has added some weight back here.
And they don't have to worry about that pile anymore. I'm honestly surprised we all got out. They do. Decent luck.
So we're rebuilding the spool valve out here, but it's always a good time when you show up to the junkyard. You never know what's going to happen. Burnouts in Kias, fire department cutting vehicles up, almost flipping trucks. It's like home. So we're running to the store to go get a drink, and we've got stuff all over the service truck, spool valves apart. So, yeah. So they loaned us this freaking cherry, what is this thing, Metro Geo convertible.
Yep.
So we're gonna go take this thing down to the store real quick to go get some water. This thing's awesome.
We'll find out how awesome it is here in a second.
You mean when you go to get on it and figure out that it's gutless?
Yeah. I just don't want to get ran over here, honestly.
We had the fire department left. This thing is slow.
Yeah, it is.
It's got a little bit of a speed wobble to her too.
Yeah, I don't know if all the wheels are folded on it. Fuck it, it ain't mine. I think sucks that it is convertible. If we go rolling in this, we're done. We literally just drove a car out of the junkyard down the road.
This is why I love working at the junkyard. They're like, oh, just take one of these.
Fuck it, if it rolls, it shits.
I mean, to be fair, this is the least amount of engine clatter of any of the vehicles there that run.
I've got it mounted to the floor, by the way.
4,000 RPM, barely cresting 60. What's the 0 to 60 on this? Like 3 minutes?
Still a steering wheel. Oh, I got it for 65.
That's because we're going downhill. Oh,
okay.
It stalled. Well, at least it stalled with where we were going. How are the brakes?
They're
Well, at least now if we're stuck here, there are cold drinks inside they'll sell us. Oh, I can't believe this thing died pulling into the parking lot. Cherry. You gonna start again? Oh yeah. That's minty as fuck.
This thing's a race car, I'm telling you. It's got potential.
I don't know what class we could race in competitively with a 2-minute 0 to 60, but we can try.
Golf cart class.
I mean, it's on par with my bus. I think my seat just popped when we shifted. Smells terrible.
Yeah.
We're dumb enough to. Should have expected that. Hi, the horn works. Holy shit, we're doing 70. Do not rip that freaking e-brake. Don't even think about it. It is a convertible. We don't have enough roof for me to want to flip over.
Where'd you sense potential?
I lost it when we lost the roof. Oh God, we're gonna die. Well, we made it back and we didn't die, so I guess that means the Metro LSI is a good car. Well, at least these two tires have air in them. They even look round. See what's in this thing. Damn, 3 cylinders of fury.
Hey, it's still got a distributor.
Yeah. We could probably fit a whole nother engine in here still.
I'm pretty sure it's not any bigger than my lawnmower motor.
Nah.
I know it's not any bigger than the motor on the tractor.
That'd be a fun swap.
Yeah. Have a Yanmar powered.
Does explain why this 0 to 60 was in minutes though, not seconds.
Jumped it backwards and blew the 60 amp ignition fuse. So I made the 60 amp fuse a 400 amp fuse.
I see that.
Take your pocket knife, fold them in over on each other.
Is that a 400 amp slow blow now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe that's the electrical smell we were smelling.
She don't burn nothing. I drove her for 6.5 weeks now. The only thing it does do is you smell oil on decel.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Yep.
But it's probably the lack of the catalytic converter.
More than likely.
This thing's freaking cherry. Chris, behold this minty motherfucker. 4-wheel drive AMC Eagle wagon. It's an auto though, so not quite as cool as it could have been, but tell me we don't need this for the winter. Throw some chains on it.
I don't need that now.
Oh, I do. You know, we get this, it'll go with the other wagon I just bought. Could have 2 of them. Shouldn't go to junkyards. I like really crappy cars, and they have a lot of them here. Like half of these I could take home with me. What kind of junk we got in here?
A lot of junk.
Yeah. See an LS down in there. Free magnetic tray. Hell yeah. Dude, we'll put some air in the tires. I'll drive this thing home today.
Ooh, it's V8.
Yeah. Should be a 5.7 one, so yeah.
This is a better motor than what's in your Cadillac.
Well, duh. It's a North Star. That's not hard to beat. What do we have here? Now be careful sneaking up on this. You don't want to scare it. It'll hit us. Oh, it's okay. It's a V6 car. Who the hell painted it like light purple?
I don't know.
Ooh, hey, a Crown Vic. Fuck the Mustang. Yeah, I know, but I want a Crown Vic, and this is just bad enough that I'd drive it.
I used to have an 07 Crown Vic.
Yeah, they're really fun to beat on. Oh, hey, free trailer hitch. This place is the gift that keeps on frickin' giving. Ironically, I know this Pontiac Bonneville. I used to work on it a lot when I was in high school. The owner of it was local, an older guy. I'm assuming he's passed away since, because this thing was his baby. I wonder what that says about my work when a car I've worked on is in the junkyard. Where's the release? Hell, even got an Olds. I'm liking the inventory out here. A bunch of freaking land yachts. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. I don't know if I'm more excited about that patriotic as fuck looking Dakota or this black and green Ram Charger. Yeah, it's the Ram Charger. Damn. I want that. Is that a frickin' Dodge Stealth? Oh, hell yeah. Oh, almost tripped over a wire. Look at that. There's some good shit out here.
Oh, out at the junkyard. Still.
It's not a bad burnout for 2 1/4 cylinders.
Just needed a little dirt. Slow them front tires down. If I think it's doing both. Nice and square on the tire. Yeah, Clarkson's doing both. Look at it go.
That's impressive.
Let's fire that up and repeat it.
It only had one good one in it.